It's June 4. We're walking sa pool to stretch our legs. Sinatawanan ako ng tatlo. Yung si Ara, Trisha, pati si Denise. And si Ro. Say hi na.
Hi!
Bagong gising ka pa? Okay.
Hi, cameraman here.
Warm-ups today is 2 feet to I am 2 kicks. Ayoko na. I'm gonna skip this. We just finished 2 kicks. They will 2 kicks, I will 2 I am. No, wala! Hey, let me go first.
Okay.
Okay.
What the heck?
Go!
We're done. Finish na kayo? Finish na kayo? Tagal nyo. Tagal nyo.
Skibidi.
Saka pa.
My cameraman.
Yeah.
Hello.
I'm busy.
I'm gonna put that in.
Hello. Wait.
We love the MC.
We love the MC.
We love the MC.
Uy, sa bata mo pa talagang pinakita, oh.
Huh?
Diriyan, tignan mo yung isa, oh. Pinapakita mo dito.
Huh?
Sa akin, sama. Bulky pot.
I saw. Hi, I'm Denise. And this is Krisha, and we're the Tres Marites.
This is the last one.
I saw you.
Uy, goggles, goggles.
I don't know earlier.
I won't vlog our last set. Kasi I'm gonna die.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say see you later at school.
See you later at school. What? I don't.
Nakita ng mga basher ko yan.
Eating Becky. Stop! Okay, we're done.
Green.
See you later at school.
Green.
Asim. Guys, may nabudol ako. Sed, pakita mo. Pakulit ka. Guys, ang galing ko magbudol. Sana for her yung Toy Kingdom dun sa taas. Marian! Second. Hi. Yes! Say hi to Kanya. Hi, Kuya Pao. Hi, Kuya Pao. It's June 7. It's our moving up. Bawal mag-cellphone.
Pero naka-video po si Pat.
Bawal mag-cellphone pero mag-vlog ako.
Rated A with honors.
Liberato Patricia C. with honors. Patricia will receive an award of excellence for being champion in robot racing running junior high school team category in the National Science Quest. Second place, robot line racing junior high school individual category. Champion, robot line racing junior high school team category. 3 golds, 2 silvers, city meet swimming competition. 1 gold, 1 silver, 2 bronzes, Karaa swimming competition. Patricia is the daughter of Mr. Patrick Liberato and Mrs. Leia Lane Liberato.
Got na graduation!
Adrian is the daughter of Mr. Walter.
We're on the way to Marikina
Postpartum.
to get kaching. We're gonna get kaching from the city.
Anong channel mo? Parang black ko.
Look. We're at Marikit now.
Guys, lifted yan.
Ulit daw.
We're gonna get incentives. Kaching.
Pati swimming.
Wala pa? Excited?
Mag-hello kayo! Hi! Pakita mo
Ako
akong
manager
vlogger.
nila.
O ano, vlogger ka diba?
Papakulay na nila ko.
Kaching! How many? I don't know. Mine. Hey guys, kakatapos na kumuha ng pera.
Kuya Pao.
Holy wow! What a small world. It's June 8. At the pool. This is the last training.
Ready? Yep.
Wanna say hi? I'm dying. We're doing 12 by 50 street.
Oh, it's moving.
Last one.
Ayaw mo.
This is Coach. Yung talan, say hi. Pink? Ayaw mag-hi. Snob.
No.
Snob siya. I'm rating the workout. Yeah. I'm rating the workout 5 over 10. Rate the workout. Rate the 12 by 50s.
Out of
10.
6
6?
or 5.
Yeah, me too. 5. We did 250s, 8 sets. I rate it negative utang ng bansa over 10. Mga namatay kay Coach.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Rate the, rate the, rate the, 250 is 8 sets. Pagod pa siya. Again.
Nasabi ah.
It's 3 over 10. What about you? 4?
Grabe ka sa kanila.
I don't like this word.
I rate it 8.
It's so tiring. Ay, no.
Water resistant lang yan.
I'm tired.
Baba mo.
Baba mo. Ang akin nga, baba na.
Sige. We have 3 by 2. I think that's the last workout.
So keep right.
We're doing circle swim.
Let's go. Everyone,
I can't anymore. We're done. Puro tubig na yung mic ko. Last workout. We're done. It's 10 over 10. We're gonna turo Letushin. Dito ako kala Jusilia. What age are you ba?
9 to 10.
Yeah, 9 to 10 din ako. Pero dito kami.
Hi guys.
Ah, yeah.
oo nga pala.
I will turo ako din.
Good!
Say hi.
I-reels to. Charot!
Hi, we're gonna teach na.
We're gonna turo na.
Bye na! Bye!
We're done with learn to swim. Nangitim ako, bro. We're gonna go home na. In Silog. Can you see them? I'm gonna cross the road. Wait a minute. Ang sakit sa likod ng bag kong bigat. I'm gonna ayos my bag for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the Pisaa. It's June 9. First day of Pisaa. Woo! We're on the way to Barreto na. See you sa warm-ups. I don't know. Wala ka pa kaya? Warm-ups na. I'm so not ready, but it's okay.
Ang laro.
I finished 1 buck and 2 free. Uwing-uwi na ako. I have 1 more. I have 1 free pa. Tapos tomorrow I have 4 free, 50 free, and 2 relays. Ayoko na. I'll check back later siguro.
Sana kung malam.
After 1 free. Kasi I'll be done na nun. Bye.
Parang magkaparangan sa ng kulay. Dating na 75.
Doon na mag 1 free. Today I did 2 free. Ay, 1 back, 2 free, 1 free. We just finished day 1 of Pisara. The four of us, we got Happy Meal.
Is that my pader?
That's all. I will eat later. Kasi I'm hungry. I ordered 4 pieces of nuggets sa Happy Meal. Tapos I ordered sa McDo app na 6 pieces of nuggets. So it's 10 pieces of nuggets.
Okay.
I got my food now.
Happy Meal.
And shake fries. I love sweet corn na shake fries. Hi guys! Ay wait, nasa pocket ko siya. We can unboxing now. Kuya, pwede pa pakita mo sa kanila ano yung laman. This is the pink rabbit.
Okay, first I have the kawaii cut.
This is the kawaii cat. Ano yung kasama niya? Munggoy?
Chicken.
The kawaii cat and the chicken. O ano yung isa? Ano yung isa?
It's cute. Uy!
Kuya, wag ka makulit.
Sa akin yung lucky cat.
Parehas kami ni Kuya. Kasi parehas kaming rabbit.
Pwede siya ganito.
Ito ata yung ano, yung...
Where should I put this on my bag?
Basta isa. What's the other one, ate?
Kalabaw na may scuba studio.
Kalabaw na nilagyan ni ate ng scuba. Ano yung isa mo, Kuya?
Buena siya! Can you chill?
Mine is kaparehas ni Kuya.
See the fish.
Pili ko nasa shark yun eh.
The rabbit and
Or monkey yan.
the lucky cat.
Ito yung magaganda sa gusto.
Oo nga, lucky cat.
Parehas? Nag-rabbit ka din ba?
Ayaw.
Sungan.
Hi.
Nag-rabbit din si
Why'd
Kuya.
you tap? Nag-rabbit ako.
No.
Tatlo tayong rabbit. Ang papangit nyo.
Maya, pare-pareho tayo.
Ako lang naiiba.
Tatlo kaming rabbit.
Unique.
Ay, ano
Na
ba?
malakas yung kilig sa tagilid.
Ikaw din eh, no?
And this.
Ayoko. Ano si Pag?
Maasim.
Okay, let's play Dragon City.
Okay, that's it. I think see you tomorrow or later.
Lah.
I don't know.
Init.
Bye. It's June 10. It's second day of Pisaa. I just woke up. Ang sakit ng likod ko. I don't know why. Today I have 4 free 53, 4 by 53, 4 by medley. 4 by 1 medley. I'm gonna die. I think see you later at the pool. I don't know. Bye. Gonna ligo. It's 5:24. We're going to Barreto now. Bye. CCI represent. Hindi na sila nadadi.
Timers ready?
Pag kita galing niya, para na lagi ganyan lang.
Kita. Orion! Gising! Fly! Fly! Gising! Ay, tayo na Tapos na yung pisaa.
No, I won't be.
Now, I'm nagagala.
Stolen.
We will eat xiaolongbao and choco xiaolongbao and hakao. Guess kung sino allergic sa shrimp.
How to cry
How to make millions.
before grandma dies.
Read the movie. Read mo.
It's just a treat.
Me, a 7. It was nice.
Ito yung